Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys an outdoor gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this foldable camping cot that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. Guys, this here is a 82 by 32 cot, suitable for an adult, average size up to 450 pounds. Comes in a nice carrying case here. Super easy to set up, guys. Like out of the box, it's pre-assembled. The only thing you gotta do is unfold it, put the legs out. It's an accordion style. Open it up and it's ready to go. It's made out of a very durable canvas. It's got a bag on the front for storing your cell phone and keys and wallets and stuff like that if you don't want to put that stuff on the ground, or your tablets or whatever. It's just a really nice, comfortable cot, guys. I mean, if you're into camping and you don't want to be laying on the hard ground and you want something comfortable to lay on, like this here will hold your sleeping bag and yourself. I'm 6 foot tall, 220 pounds, and I'm fitting on here very comfortably. So if you guys are looking for a comfortable, easy to deploy camping cot, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.